as you can see, wherever we go, there's nothing but rot. So this is going to be a long, long job. Right, this is what's left of the fixed arch top window, which is a false window, and it has been repaired before, but it is now well and truly falling to pieces. Yeah, so we've got to get this out somehow, get it on the bench, and probably have to make a new one. So that's the scaffold that we've built to get up there. And that's it from the other side. Oh my giddy aunt. All of that just fell to pieces. And that's before we touch the sash. Right. We have either rats, mice, or birds up there. God knows what it was. But that's obviously got to come out. Yeah. So that's the top sash out. Now I'm hoping that the bottom sash will come out a lot easier. Right, that's it all cleaned up. We're going to start rebuilding the sashes, which is going to take quite some time. But that's where you can see how it's a real wall, but the window was simply put in front for balance, I would assume. But looking at the house, yeah. Oh dear. That's it. So those are the sashes that we're going to start working on. Yeah, that one is in such a bad state that we'll make it new. That one we can probably rescue, but we'll find out a little bit later on once we take the paint off. So this is the before, and this is the after. So you can see them both side by side. So that's the two that are going to be going in, already puttied, all the glass is in. They're all very secure now. Yeah. Right, and then this is our little workshop here. The most important part is just there. So tomorrow these go in, and we'll see what it looks like once it's in. I think it's going to look very good. So that's the bottom sash offered up. Yeah, I've got to do some more work tomorrow, but that's in. As you can see, this is a solid wall. It's been painted black. Yeah, that's all the bits and pieces that were still good, which we may use. There again, we may not. Yeah, and that's all got to be filled in tomorrow. So that should be another fun job. That's the sash is in. Now all we're doing is building the frame around it.